Do you have a quarter panel that is screwed up? Well, if you have something as simple as a ball, you can save yourself $2,000. Let's check this out. First of all, get the ball flat. Okay, that's actually pretty flat now, so let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, so hook up this adapter for the ball to your pump. Obviously attach it to the ball, and now you shove it in the place of the quarter panel. Yes, you have to take off this panel in the trunk. So yes, just shove it down that quarter. Make sure it's firm in place. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some happy vibes in the Civic here. Okay, so we got the pump plugged in. Yes, and it runs to the trunk. So yes, the ball is sitting over here. Okay, let's get this over with. Oh wow, it works! As always, we have a slight problem here, so yes, it is slightly help with our quarter, but our pump tip flew out and now it's stuck inflated. The only sensible thing to do now is pop the ball. I know it hurts, but what can we do? It's actually deflating. The quote of the day is, if something doesn't work, you make it work. Okay, so we're a bit smarter this time. We figured that we're gonna shove that adapter through one of these holes. That way we can actually get the ball out without popping it. And now let's shove the adapter in. It's going, it's going. Well, as you guys can see, this portion is entirely straight. Now we just have this further side to fix. Okay, so the thing to keep in mind is where the ball is at. So as you can see, it's straight here. Yeah, so the ball is here, it's really tight here. So we need to move it further to this side where it's still dented. So here are the results. I mean, we got this front portion fixed, but we couldn't get all the way back to here because the ball was too thick, and yeah, it just wouldn't go to the very end. So the thing to do right now, I guess, is find more kids to borrow a smaller ball from, and we'll go from there. All right guys, and while we're doing some dent repairs, let me show you how to fix a dent on your hood. Mister, can you show us how to fix it, please?
Finger here.
Yep.
Paintless dent repair, if you call it.
Of course, painless dent repair, my friend. We might need a hammer here.